Wow, this supermarket is so big.
It is, but don't worry, we have a list.
A list?
Yes, a shopping list. It tells us what we need to buy today.
Oh, I see. A list helps us remember.
Exactly. Without a list, I always forget something.
Me too. What do we need today?
Let me read it. We need bread, milk, eggs, and butter.
Okay, bread, milk, eggs, butter. That is 4 things.
Also some fruit, apples or bananas.
I like bananas.
Bananas it is, and we need chicken for dinner tonight.
Chicken sounds good.
And one more thing, dish soap.
Dish soap? What is dish soap?
It is the liquid we use to wash dishes, to clean the plates and cups.
Ah, I understand. Dish soap for washing dishes.
Right, so that is our list, 7 things.
Let me check. Bread, milk, eggs, butter, bananas, chicken, dish soap.
Perfect. Are you ready to go inside?
Yes, let's do this.
First, let's get a cart.
A cart?
A shopping cart, the big metal basket with wheels. We push it around the store.
Oh, I see one over there.
Good. Pull one out. Sometimes they are stuck together.
Got it. It is heavier than I thought.
You will get used to it. Now, let's go inside and start with the fresh food section.
What is the fresh food section?
It is the area with fruits, vegetables, meat, and dairy, things that need to stay cold.
Dairy? What is dairy?
Dairy means milk products, milk, butter, cheese, yogurt, things made from milk.
Oh, milk, butter, cheese. I understand now.
Good. Let's walk toward the fruit first.
The bananas are on the list, so we start there.
Exactly. Follow me.
Look at all this fruit. It is so colorful.
It is. The supermarket puts the fruit near the entrance.
Why?
Because it looks fresh and nice. It makes people feel happy when they walk in.
That is smart. I do feel happy.
See the bananas? Over there next to the apples.
I see them. There are green bananas and yellow bananas.
Which ones do you want?
I like the yellow ones. They look ready to eat.
Good choice. Green bananas need a few days to ripen.
Ripen? What does that mean?
It means they become soft and sweet. Yellow bananas are ripe now.
I understand. Ripe means ready to eat.
Exactly. Let's take one bunch.
How many bananas in a bunch?
This one has 5. That is enough for us.
Do we need a bag?
No, bananas have their own skin. We can put them directly in the cart.
Okay, 1 bunch of bananas. Done.
Good. Now let's move to the dairy section.
That is where the milk and butter are?
Right. And eggs, too. Follow me.
This cart is getting easier to push.
You are a natural.
It is so cold here.
That is because the dairy products need to stay fresh.
I can see my breath a little.
Let's be quick then. We need milk first.
There are so many kinds. Whole milk, low-fat milk, skim milk.
What does your family usually drink?
My family drinks whole milk.
Then whole milk it is. Grab the one with the red cap.
This one?
Yes, check the date first.
The date?
The expiration date. It tells you when the milk is no longer fresh.
Oh, it says June 15th. Is that okay?
Today is June 10th. That gives us 5 days. That is fine.
Good. Milk is in the cart.
Next, butter. It should be right next to the milk.
I see it. Salted butter or unsalted butter?
What does unsalted mean?
I think it means no salt.
Correct. Unsalted means without salt. For cooking, many people use unsalted.
But we are not cooking with it. We just need it for bread.
Then salted is fine. It tastes a little better on toast.
I agree. Salted butter, here you go.
Perfect. Now eggs. They are at the end of this aisle.
I will get them. 1 dozen?
Yes, 1 dozen means 12.
I know. I counted the eggs through the carton.
Smart. Always check that none are cracked.
Cracked? What does that mean?
Broken. The shell has a line or a hole.
Oh, no, these all look good.
Wonderful. That is 3 things from this section. Let's move on.
We are doing great.
I smell something really nice.
That is the bakery. They bake fresh bread right here.
Really? Inside the supermarket?
Yes, many big supermarkets have their own bakery.
That is wonderful. It smells like home.
Does your family bake bread at home?
Sometimes. My grandmother used to bake bread every Sunday.
That is a lovely memory.
Yes, the smell reminds me of her kitchen.
That is really special. Now, we need bread. What kind do you want?
I am not sure. There's white bread, wheat bread, and something called sourdough.
Sourdough is a little tangy. Tangy means it has a slight sour taste.
Is it good?
I love it, but it is a little different.
Maybe I will try white bread today. It is safer.
No problem at all. Grab the sliced white bread.
This one says sandwich bread. Is that okay?
Perfect. That is the soft bread for sandwiches and toast.
It feels so soft.
Here comes the baker. We can ask him if they have any warm bread just out of the oven.
Good morning. Can I help you find something?
Oh, good morning. Do you have any bread that is still warm?
Actually, yes. We just finished a batch of French baguettes. They are still cooling over here.
A baguette? That is a long, thin loaf of bread, very crusty outside and soft inside.
Crusty? What does that mean?
It means the outside is a little hard and crunchy.
Would you like to try a small piece?
Really? Yes, please.
Here you go. This is from the end piece.
It is so good. Crunchy outside, soft inside. I love it.
Should we get a baguette too?
Yes, please, for a special treat.
Here is a fresh one for you.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice day, you two.
Thank you. You too.
That was very kind of him.
Yes, and now we have 2 kinds of bread.
Sometimes that happens at the supermarket. You come for one thing and find a nice surprise.
A happy surprise.
This area looks very clean.
It has to be. This is where they sell raw meat.
Raw? What does raw mean?
Raw means not cooked yet. You have to cook it at home.
I see. Raw chicken, raw beef.
Exactly. We need chicken for tonight.
There are so many choices. Chicken breast, chicken thighs, drumsticks.
What do you usually cook?
I am learning to cook. I want something easy.
Chicken breast is very easy. It cooks quickly and has no bones.
Boneless chicken breast. That sounds perfect.
Look for a package that is not too big. 2 pieces should be enough.
Here, this one has 2 chicken breasts.
Check the date again.
June 12th. Is that okay?
That is only 2 days away. We should cook it tonight or tomorrow.
We plan to cook tonight, so it is fine.
Good. Let's ask the butcher a question.
What question?
Sometimes they have pre-marinated chicken. That means it already has seasoning on it.
Seasoning? Like salt and spices?
Exactly. It saves time.
Hello there. Can I help you?
Hi, do you have any pre-marinated chicken breast?
We do. We have lemon herb and barbecue flavor.
Which one sounds better to you, Lily?
Lemon herb. That sounds light and fresh.
Here is the lemon herb pack. It is very popular.
Thank you. I will take it.
Anything else for you today?
No, that is all. Thank you very much.
Enjoy your turn.
Thank you. I am excited to cook it now.
See? The butcher helped us find something even better.
That is true. I did not know I could ask.
You can always ask. The people who work here want to help.
This aisle smells very strong.
That is the cleaning products, all the soap and detergent.
Detergent? What is detergent?
It is the soap you use to wash clothes, laundry detergent.
Oh, for the washing machine.
Right, but we are here for dish soap.
Dish soap. To wash dishes. I remember.
Look at this section here. All of these are for washing dishes by hand.
There are so many. Different colors, different smells.
Which color do you like?
I like the green one. It says apple scent.
Scent means smell, so it smells like apples.
That sounds nice. But is there one that is better for the environment?
Good question. Look for words like plant-based or biodegradable.
Plant-based. What does that mean?
It means the ingredients come from plants, not chemicals.
Oh, that is better for nature.
Yes, here is one. It says plant-based and it has a lemon scent.
Lemon is also nice. I will choose this one.
Compare the price with the green one.
Compare? You mean check which one costs more?
Exactly. Look at the price tag on the shelf.
The green apple one is $3.49.
And the plant-based lemon one?
It is $4.29.
So the plant-based one costs a little more.
I think it is worth it for the environment.
I agree. Good choice.
That was the last thing on the list.
Really? Let me check the list. Bread, milk, eggs, butter, bananas, chicken, dish soap.
That is 7 things. All done.
Almost. We should do a final walkthrough.
A final walkthrough? What is that?
It means we walk slowly through the store one more time, just to make sure we did not forget anything.
Oh, that is a good habit.
My mother taught me that. She never left the store without a final walkthrough.
I like that. Let's do it.
We went to the fruit section first.
Yes, bananas are in the cart.
Then the dairy section.
Milk, butter, eggs, all there.
Then the bakery.
White bread and the baguette.
I can still smell the baguette. It is making me hungry.
Me too. Then the meat section. Chicken breast, lemon herb.
That is going to be delicious tonight.
And finally, the cleaning aisle.
Plant-based lemon dish soap.
Everything is here. I think we are ready to check out.
Check out? That means pay, right?
Yes, we go to the cashier and pay for everything.
Is the cashier a person or a machine?
Some supermarkets have self-checkout machines, but I prefer a person.
Me too. It feels friendlier.
Let's find a checkout lane with a short line.
What does checkout lane mean?
It is the line where you wait to pay. Each one is a lane.
Like a lane on a road.
Exactly. Look, lane 4 has only one person waiting.
Let's go there.
Hello. Did you find everything you needed today? Yes, thank you. We had a list. That is always helpful. I make a list too. Otherwise, I buy too many snacks.
I understand. The snack aisle is dangerous.
It really is. Okay, let me start scanning your items.
Scanning? What does that mean?
The cashier uses a machine to read the price from the barcode.
The barcode? Those black lines on the package?
Exactly. The machine beeps and the price shows on the screen.
It is so fast. Beep. Bananas. Oh, these look nice and ripe. Thank you. I chose them. Good eye. Beep. Chicken. And beep. Dish soap.
That is everything.
Your total is $28.73.
That is less than I expected.
Supermarkets have good prices if you stick to your list.
Stick to your list. That means buy only what is on the list?
Right. Impulse buys can add up.
Will that be cash or card?
I will pay by card today.
Go ahead and tap your card on the machine.
Like this?
Perfect. It went through. Here is your receipt.
What is a receipt?
It is the paper that shows everything you bought and how much you paid.
Oh, proof of purchase.
Exactly. Keep it in case you need to return something.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. 2 bags if you have them.
Of course. Plastic or paper?
Paper, please. Better for the environment.
Here you go. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you so much.
That was a really good experience.
I am glad. How do you feel?
I feel confident now. I know how to shop in a big supermarket.
You did great. You found everything on the list.
And I learned so many new words.
Like what? Tell me some.
Shopping list, cart, dairy, ripe, expiration date, unsalted, raw, crusty, butcher, detergent, plant-based, checkout lane, barcode, receipt.
Wow, that is a lot of words for one shopping trip.
I did not even realize I was learning so much. It just happened naturally.
That is the best way to learn, in real situations.
And the people were so kind. The baker and the butcher and the cashier.
Most people are happy to help if you ask politely.
I also learned to check the date on food.
That is important, especially for milk and meat,
And I learned to do a final walkthrough.
to make sure you never forget anything.
My grandmother would like that habit.
She sounds like a smart woman.
She was. I miss her a lot.
Well, now when you bake bread or do a final walkthrough, you are keeping her memory alive.
I like that. That makes me feel warm inside.
Are you ready to go home and cook that chicken?
Yes, let's make dinner together.
I would love that.
Today was a good day.
A very good day.